So here we've got one big rectangle with 40 circles, and we can think of this rectangle as a fraction bar. So if we take half of our 40 circles, we've now got 20 circles, so half of 40 is 20. But now let's think about those 20 circles. If we take half of those 20 circles, half of 20 is 10. But notice our fraction bar is now showing 1/4 shaded. Remember, we had 40 at the start altogether, so 1/4 of 40 is also 10. So you can find a quarter by halving and then halving again. So now let's look at these 10 circles. If we split them in half again, we now have 5. So half of 10 is 5. That means 1/8 of 40 is also 5, because if you look at how much of our fraction bar is shaded, we've got 1 part out of 8. So we can find 1/8 by halving, halving again, and then halving again. Now here we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 circles. If we halve it, half of 24 is 12. Now, if we take those 12 circles and split them in half again, we have 6. So half of 12 is 6, but notice the fraction bar. We can also see that 1/4 of 24 is 6, because if we halve and halve again, we get 1/4. Now we can take those 6, split them in half again, and we have 3. So half of 6 is 3, but we can also see, if we look at our fraction bar, that we now have 1 part out of 8 shaded. So we can say that 1/8 of 24 is also 3. So if you halve, halve again, and halve again, you can find 1/8. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.